In this video, I want to show you how to join Zoom meeting on your mobile phone. To do that, you need the meeting ID and the passcode. Let me show you an example. In this very particular meeting technical section, I've been sent the ID and the passcode. Let me just copy the ID and also note the passcode. Then I will go to my main screen and open the Zoom app. So when I open the Zoom app, you can see the interface. Then click on Join. Then it will require you to enter the ID. So enter the meeting ID here. Let me just paste the one I copied. Then here, click on Join. Then here you have to enter the passcode. The passcode for the meeting, which will also be sent to you. Just enter the passcode and click on OK. So it's preparing the meeting. Here it will bring some notification. Allow Zoom to record audio. Just choose option that you prefer. Then you can see the video preview. Once you are okay, just click on Join. It will prepare me to join. So in few seconds, I'll be logging to the meeting. Yes, I'm about to join the meeting now. Yes, I've joined the meeting, and at the point I joined the meeting, somebody is already presenting. So this is how to join Zoom meeting on your mobile phone. Thank you for watching.